In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho projects. Once you are signed in, you will start by setting up your project. Look to the left sidebar and click the Projects tab. This area is where all of your projects live, so it is a good place to return to any time you need to switch workspaces. In the upper right corner, select New Project. This opens the Project Setup screen, where you will define the basic structure before you begin adding work. Next, enter your project title. Choose a name that is clear and specific, because it will be used in lists, reports, and notifications. Then set your start date and end date. These dates help Zoho projects organize timelines and give your team a shared understanding of when the project begins and when it should wrap up. After that, select a project layout. The layout controls how information is arranged inside the project. If your organization has more than one layout option, pick the one that matches the type of work you are managing, so tasks and fields appear the way you expect. Now set your privacy. If you choose private, only invited members can access the project. This is best for internal work, sensitive projects, or smaller teams. If you choose public, all portal users can view the project, which can be useful when transparency is important across a larger group. Once these choices are made, you have the foundation of your project in place. With the project created, you can start adding tasks. Go back to the left sidebar, click Projects, and select the project you just set up. Across the top navigation bar inside the project, click the Tasks tab. This is where you will create, track, and manage all task activity for the project. In the top right, click Add Task. Enter the task name. Keep it action-oriented so it is obvious what done looks like. Then click into the Start and Due Date field to set the task timeline and deadline. Setting dates early helps keep work visible and reduces last-minute surprises as the project moves forward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.